Make a great choice today with the 2017 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-sized luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, moonroof, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, floor mats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.